You right, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, let's do it.
Go. Oh, la 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 la. You've done something crazy again, huh?
We can't wait to work on it. I think this one's going to be a good one. It can be completely different.
It's outside only. The car's already got gloss black shuts. So you only strip the gold. Nothing else, just the gold.
Overtime, OT, stripping the Aubameyang's Urus, getting it prepped for the boys. All we got is front bumper, driver's door, no, but passenger's door, left-hand drive, and part of the roof.
I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
Camel print carbon.
Camel print
fibre.
carbon.
It's
I
different.
think that's what it's called, I don't know.
Hey! It's lit.
Because this is like digital print, we have to lay it in one piece. Otherwise, you can't really match all the lines, and then it's not gonna look nice. So what we did, we laid it in one piece, cut it, finish it. That's it.
Right, so we just stripped out the roof lining on the Lamborghini Urus. We've done one before, so we know exactly what we're doing. As you can see, it's very big. Unfortunately, we've got a cutter here for the sunroof, but we'll get around it. So what I normally do is I'll start with laying all the fibre optics around all of the edge, and then we'll scatter it out and then blend it into the back. So I'll be drilling tonight.
All the fibre optics are now all harnessed up. Now what we've got to do is get that through the actual main connector. It connects to the fibre box and lights everything all up. Quite a tight fit because we pretty much, as you can see, we're pretty much maxed out on the amount of fibres we can put in there. Probably put about 1,000 to 1,500. Obviously, we're not counting it. So obviously to sit there and count it, that's probably going to take us another day. So I don't think you're going to be impressed if you just spend the day counting the fibres.
On this section I've already cut them down, and these are the fibre optics that are poking through. So what I normally do is I get my special cutters and we cut it at a straight angle. And there you go. Right, so me and Andy just finished the Lamborghini Urus. This one's come out nice, clean. You can see all the different colours that changes with the remote control here. And yeah, we've done a few now, so light work for us. Check it out.
car. He's on his way to pick this car up right now. So we've done Starlight roof lining. What I've done is I've turned the lights off. I'll put the interior light on. I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to turn it on from here. Obviously it's Auba, so the first lights you're going to see are red. Check this out. All the lights can be different colours. You can have red, you can have white. We don't really want blue. It can strobe, it can stay on static. Rolls Royce roof lining. It's real cool. I actually need to do this to my car. He's on his way now, so excited to show him the Starlight roof lining, of course the wrap, the tyre stickers and the reflective pinstriping all the way around the car. It's different, it's a marble wrap, it's not gold, it's not totally out there, but it's still very in your face. So Auba is back. We've done a few cars together. Aventador, Performante, Bentayga, Urus wife's car, Urus your car, LaFerrari. Mr. LaFerrari. Yeah. And you're back again. So we've gone away from the gold.
Away from the gold.
And I've kept this secret. I haven't put this anywhere and you haven't really seen any pictures.
Yeah, that's true.
Why away from the gold? You didn't want to be so crazy?
No, to tell the truth, I think it was time to do a changement. And I don't know, I want to try, so I want to see how it works. I think it's gonna be cool.
I think it looks incredible. I'm excited. You know I love Lamborghini Urus, so I'm going to let you get here. I'm going to get your guys to bring the car out and we're going to get your first impression straight away.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready, always.
Okay, wait there 1 second.
Let's go.
You right, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, let's
do
it. Let's do it.
Oh my God. Woo. Oh, lo. Okay. Wow. Crazy. I would say massive.
Different.
I like it.
You like it? So to recap what we've done, we changed your number plates.
Yes.
So we gave you the rectangular number plates to go with the shape of the car.
Yes.
We've done pinstripe all around the car.
Yes.
Tyre writing.
Yes.
We took the gold off and rewrapped it with the marble.
Yes,
we refurbed your wheels and we've done the Starlight roof lining, which I'm going to show you, which is special. Logo obviously on the side, brand everything.
Crazy.
You like it? You like it, yeah?
Yeah, I like it. This is sick.
It looks very classy, doesn't it?
Yeah, classy.
But it's still got the wow, but not over the top.
Not over the top, yeah, exactly. I like it because now I can go out with a suit, like, be more, you know?
you in a suit, never. We'll go, obviously it's Arsenal, so we have to go red to start. We'll start with red, yeah?
Okay.
So you got red, white. Your wife's going to want that.
Yeah,
your wife,
yeah, sure.
When I saw the purple, I thought your wife's going to love that.
Oh,
But what's really cool, you can have it set to music.
Really?
So you can play your music, and as the music plays, it starts going crazy. So let me give you an example. Yes, the music on.
Okay.
How cool is that? How cool is that?
This is sick, oh my God.
So it does it to music.
Okay.
You like that? So you got it there, yes? Urus Rolls Royce.
Urus Rolls Royce.
So what I'll do is I'm going to reverse it back in,
yes,
and I'm going to show you the last thing.
All right.
Now look at the bottom of the car, but the back is the best, so you understand.
Yeah. Okay.
Your logo.
Yes, sir.
So we still give you the wow factor.
Yes. This is what I like to see. Nice. Oh, you've done something crazy again, huh?
When we were at his house, we were trying to decide on colours, and we looked at all the swatches, and we just couldn't work out what to do. And he was like, I've done chrome a million times, what do we do? And he was like, just started Googling, and he was like, what about marble? And initially we were going to go black, white and gold, weren't we?
Exactly.
And it didn't work. I can show you the samples. It didn't quite work.
Yes.
And he was like, try black and white with like a bit of grey.
Yes.
And I think you went the bang on right decision.
For sure.
And with the tyre writing and everything else.
Yeah, it's great though.
It works.
You know, we have another Urus to do, huh?
The wife's one. I know. I knew the wife was gonna. When we were sitting there, the wife was like, "I might change mine," and guarantee she's gonna go roof lining, isn't she?
For sure.
For sure, because
Yeah,
she has
for
the kids in the car all the
Yes.
time.
Bro. Jeez, how are you?
That's nice, isn't it? Aubameyang's back. He's had another car wrapped. I'm sure his wife's going to be back very soon to get her car changed. But Auba, I always appreciate you, my brother. We
Always.
appreciate you here.
Thank you very
You always
much.
show love.
Thank you again.
He's always a good guy. He's always,
Love,
anytime I
thank
need
you for
anything
your
for
job.
charity, if I need him to do a video or sign anything, he always does it for me. So, guys, Yiannimize Aubameyang times
There.
7.
Yeah, 7, 8, and it's
don't-
not finished yet.
It's not. He's Arsenal. He ain't going nowhere. So I know there's more and more cars to come. So we're mad excited. But from me and Auba, we'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.
Take care.